Welcome back to another video. If you are not playing MM2 or can't join MM2, don't worry about it. In this video I will tell you how to fix this problem, so keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing this problem, then go to the browser and search here Roblox status server status and click on this. Now check the server status of the Roblox. As you can see, no issue in the server. Then next is completely close the Roblox. If you are open, then click on this button and select close all the app, and now open again Roblox and check the problem. If the problem is persist, then restart your device. Once restart your device, check the problem again. If the problem is persist, then go to the Play Store and search here Roblox and check the update. If update is available, then update it and check the problem. If the problem is persist, then next is long press on the Roblox and click on this icon app info. Now go to the storage and clear all data and cache. After doing this step, check the problem again. If it is not, then uninstall the Roblox and reinstall again. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.